we are excited to have an electric honey extractor from Garvee.com. Instructions, simple to follow. All we've done is take it out of the box. In the box also has some options for an extended warranty if you choose to do that. So next, I'm actually going to put it together. I've laid it down on the table so that I can put the legs on more easily. They have this tab on the bottom, so you know that's the bottom, so that if you wanted to bolt this to a deck or some other surface, it will be nice and stable. So it simply sits on here like this. We have a nut and a washer for each leg. Actually two, there's a top one and a bottom one. And a number 14 socket wrench to put these on. I'll screw those in as far as I can by hand. And then tighten them down. Don't over tighten them. It is nice and sturdy material, but it's not a car. I'm not torquing it down to torque specs. So nice and tight. Then I'll roll it around, put the other two legs on. These legs have a little bit of a slot, so you could move these up or down to be able to adjust them to make it nice and level. So the one on the leg does have this slot for a little bit of up and down adjustment. I think that's pretty nice, depending on your surface, and get it level. All right, now stand it up carefully. Don't want to scratch it. And then we will install the honey gate. So I'm going to move the rack inside off to the side there. If you need to tighten these up, you can of course tighten this wing nut by hand, but this is on this side. If you needed to tighten it, this is a 10mm hex nut. So it has this nice washer, goes on the outside, and it has this plastic nut that goes on the inside. So
what is a honey gate?
Honey gate is where you claim you're not a criminal. Sorry about the break, but I couldn't get my big arm down here to put the honey gate on. It was simple enough to remove the basket and the motor, 2 bolts, a 13 and a 14 wrench, was able to take that off. Now I can get inside of it. So with the nice B facing the right direction, which is up, so if I undo the honey gate, I can flip it up. And there's 2 washers, an inner and an outer, but they both go on here. It fits in the hole perfectly like that. And then on the inside, you can screw it on by hand, nice and tight. There we go, nice sealed. Honey gate is installed. So now I'm going to put the basket back together. Simple. The basket comes in. There's a bolt head in the bottom. You just have to put it in the hole, like so. And you put the motor on. There are these 2 little bracket arms through the honey extractor there. I'm going to set that one up and put it on one side and then the other. So this just flips up, goes in there. So you could do a couple things at once, which includes putting this spindle back in the bottom, which is actually going to require two hands. So I'm going to need my assistant to hold one or the other.
And here's the assistant.
So you're going to have to align this
Okay.
while I put this
That little red bushing.
in there. Okay.
Whoopsie. I can't really tell how it's supposed to go together because I haven't seen it. Oh, there it goes.
So slides down on there.
So now, has that little red bushing?
The little red bushing. You can see the motor turn, so everything is aligned properly. Then I'm going to put my nuts and washers back on. All right, so I just lifted this up so I could get that back in its rightful position. Turn this one so I can get it back in its position. I might need a second hand again to make sure this is in the right place underneath here. Oh, on the bushing.
Oh, it came off?
Yep.
Okay, and it should go down right there. Oh, yep. It looks like it's in the right spot.
All right, so that's all in the right place. I'll put the other nut washer back on. Tighten these guys up again. Just because the cord is here, you have to lift this side up just enough to get that nut underneath it. So if you're a small person or small hands and arms, you wouldn't have any trouble getting through that basket. But a lot of guys aren't going to be able to do that. So
You have the lid that's back there. How does it go on?
this is all back in place. Keeps popping down as I move it on the threads there. Okay. Last but not least, we have two lids. We have these two plexiglass lids that simply sit on the top to keep the honey from slinging everywhere. There's a couple of really cool features on the motor itself. It's just so sturdy, well built, metal housing, nothing that I dislike. So we've got an on-off or a stop and run button. And what's really cool is this, so you can adjust how fast it is spinning. So we've put 3 frames in there, if you can see that. We've got 3 frames in, and it will spin and pull all that honey out of those beautiful frames.
Centrifugal force, right?
Right.
Right. Cool.
Can't wait to put this guy to work, put him in action. Again, Garvee.com, check them out. Don't forget our links to these products below, as well as your discount code. Thanks for watching. If you like and subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.